Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Another 959.
Math 959. So this is problem number 4 in Mosteller's 50 challenging problems in probability. This problem has a very short statement. Would you like to read it?
On the average, how many times must a die be thrown until one gets a 6?
How many times in a row must a die be thrown until one gets a 6? Okay. Do you understand the question?
Yeah.
All right. Do you?
Yep.
All right. So we brought some 6-sided dice down, and actually, I accidentally brought some of our grime dice down. Why won't these tell us the right answer?
Well, some of them don't have 6s.
That's
And some of them have more than one 6.
Yeah, that's kind of funny. I forgot those were grime dice. Okay, so what? How do you think you want to approach this problem?
Well, we could just roll some dice until, we could just roll dice until we get a 6 and, record, how many times we get on each.
Yeah, okay, so we could definitely, this was one where it's not that hard to do an experiment. We don't even need a computer to help us with the experiment.
We can just roll 4 dice at a time. And
Okay, so that's an interesting thing. If you rolled 4 dice at a time, go ahead and do it.
so just no 6s.
But, so how do you think rolling 4 dice at a time is going to help you understand this problem?
I mean, we're just doing multiple trials at the same time. We have dice 1, dice 2, dice 3, and dice 4, and we're just seeing how long it takes each time to get a 6. And when they get a 6, we just pull it out.
Okay. How are you going to tell which one's dice 1 and dice 4?
Yeah, that's an issue. We might have to mark one of these.
Okay. All right, that's interesting. So if you put them like that. Okay. Well, what's your guess as to how many rolls this will take?
Well, 6-sided dice, and assuming we throw it randomly, there's only one face out of 6 that's a 6, so I'm gonna say 6 times.
Okay. How about you? What's your guess?
I'm gonna say 4 times because I think it should be less than 6 because 6 seems kind of like the worst case scenario, or I guess the worst case scenario that's reasonably likely.
Okay.
You theoretically could roll it as 100 times and never see a 6, but that's not very likely.
True. Not very likely. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to have you do both is have you do a few trials on your own, not on camera though, just because rolling dice on camera probably won't be that exciting. But why don't you each grab some dice and just do some trials and see what we get, and then we'll try to see if we can work through some of the math.
Okay.